So this is the stepper motor Lima 17. Okay, Lima 17. So it is rotating this wheel 360-degree, and it is configured for 6400 step using this Microstep Driver, and it is controlled using this ATmega328PB microcontroller, and it is programmed using this USB ASP V2, and this is the circuit diagram that I have connected it accordingly, and this is the program. So I have these three pins: pulse pin, direction pin, enable pin, and then I have created some dedicated functions to put the pin into high or low mode. So you first set the data direction bit, and then you make it move in one direction by changing the direction bit low. You can see it over here what the pin is direction low. Port B is set to 0. Okay, then I have this function, this for loop, which is going back 6400 steps. It says 5000, but they are wrong. 6400 steps. Okay, then I set a limit to 2 seconds, and there's a delay so that I can see, and this is the program. Okay, and you can see it starts from over here and it goes back in one direction, and then it comes back to one direction. So it moves in clockwise direction right now, and then in anti-clockwise or counterclockwise direction. And this is the setup. So this Microstep Driver is not based on TB6600 chip. It is an upgrade from that. It is based on this driver TB67 S109AFTG, and this one is in here. It is under a heat sink. So this is a giant heat sink, and you can set these options from here. You can see there are these buttons. Okay, and these connectors can be removed, so they can be removed, and you can easily attach wires. So you can see it is working properly. This is my setup. It is not Uno, it is Uno, but it is not Arduino. It has a ATmega328PB microcontroller, and it is, and whatever is on the boot chute, I have removed that while programmed it using USB ASP2, and the code is written in AVR. This is the code. If you like this video, please subscribe and visit exasub.com.